Hi, in this video, I will walk you through how you can easily and quickly understand delay on your projects. Within Nodes and Links, our feature called the Delay Navigator answers one of the most fundamental questions, which is why is something delayed? We know that with traditional methods, answering this question can take a lot of time and effort. For example, just one activity can have tens or even hundreds of predecessors belonging to multiple paths, and each one of them will have their own predecessors and their own circumstances. We also know that there can be inherent bias in analyzing delay when the analysis is done by a human. So that is why we built the Delay Navigator. This is a tool to help you navigate that complicated web of dependencies and help you to get answers easier. So let's take a look. First, you navigate to the screen by selecting Delay Navigator from the left-hand panel. At Nodes and Links, we like to keep things simple, so all you have to do from here is search or select the activity that you're interested in analyzing, and you can do that by clicking Find Activity here, deciding whether you want to look at the last critical path activity, maybe one of your bookmarks, or even the top 5 delayed actualized activity. I'll show you how you can actually just search for one. So we'll type in one that I care about, which is M2000 lift fabrication. So once loaded, the first thing you'll see is this tornado chart. The tornado chart ranks activities by their percentage contribution to the selected task's delay. The color-coded bars break out delay by reason. Things like start slips, duration increases, relationship changes, and even added scope or added activities. You'll also notice on the top right of the screen that you can toggle this data to display both percentages as well as days. And you can, of course, download the chart as needed. Now, the way this works is that the system is starting from the specified activity and going backwards, predecessor by predecessor. It compares your schedule with your baseline and based on the changes offers a recommendation of why something is late. Our system looks at the following factors when determining delay. We look at start dates, end dates, duration, addition of new activities, logic changes, constraint changes, and even calendar changes. The next tab that you'll notice is our graph view. This is an interactive swim lane style network showing you how upstream delays cascade into your chosen activity and how its delay propagates downstream. So you can expand any one of these cards to showcase how we are calculating delay. Each card has the activity data along with a summary of why delay contribution was assigned to it. The bottom line here is that this is all based on logic and math, and by allowing our tool to do this analysis for you, you can rest assured that we are removing any bias from this process and also removing opportunity for human error. Now, we do acknowledge that the process for delay analysis can vary based on your contract, your client, or even where the project is being built. And for those custom cases, we have this last tab here called Changes Across Schedules. So this provides a snapshot style table highlighting the changes over time across all of the different schedule versions. And here you can see that we can flip that data to show you changes in terms of end dates, start dates, duration, or even total float. All of that, again, is tracked across the different versions and then summarized into the total delta here on the right-hand side. Each of the cells show red values for slips and green values for gains, which gives you that at-a-glance history of when and how each task has moved. Finally, if you navigate back to this graph tab here, you'll find this drop-down menu to download either the image or the spreadsheet file. And this allows you to export the information for reporting purposes. And that is the Delay Navigator. At the end of the day, what's important is that you don't have to spend this time tracking down each individual schedule file, running manual checks to spot delay. We do that part for you, so you can spend more time actually making adjustments to either absorb the delay or prevent it in the future. So thank you all for checking out our Delay Navigator. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.